Deep within Jeju's lush forest lies a hidden gem, Wonang Waterfall, a place where nature's serenity meets crystal clear waters. The sound of cascading water draws you in, revealing a pool so pure you can see every stone beneath. Cool, refreshing, and touched by time, surrounded by towering cliffs and swaying trees. This oasis offers a moment of peace, where every ripple is nature's quiet whisper. Wonang Waterfall is more than just a sight, it's an escape into nature's untouched beauty. Discover the magic for yourself.